How you guys doing? This is Matt with Air Force Roofing. We just finished a shingle roof replacement in Loxahatchee, Florida. I just want to show you guys what the roof looks like. So this customer went with a CertainTeed landmark, and the color that they went with is pewter. Everything looks pretty good. Down here you can see we have a few big valleys. Like I always mention in the videos, we reinforce those with valley metal so that they're not issues over time. The lead stacks and J-vents here, we properly bowl around those to make sure that there's no issues with those. And everything seemed to turn out great. So if you're in the Loxahatchee area, feel free to give us a call. We do preventative maintenance, we do replacements, and then we also do repairs. So give us a call today.